Hey guys, I'm super excited today. I've got a delivery coming here in just a little bit, and a little hint about what's coming is my t-shirt. Hopefully you can see that. I'm very excited. Something super special that I've been waiting for quite some time is coming, and looking forward to showing you guys what it's all about. In just a second through that gate, it's coming. Should be coming through that gate any second now. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, it's here. It's time. Oh man, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Unusually rainy day for Florida, which is kind of odd, but oh my God. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Perfect, that works. Holy shit. Number 104. Wow. Wow, finally. Oh my God. Look at this thing. The Olins. The exhaust. Akrapovic. Titanium. Dry clutch. My God, that thing is beautiful. That black is crazy. Yeah, I'll just bring that stuff in. If you want to just set it right over there, that'd be perfect. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out my Ducati delivery video. I'm so excited that this bike is finally here. I can't believe it. Anyways, just wanted to give a quick shout out to the guys over at Ducati of Sanford, Florida. They were freaking awesome through this process. I pre-ordered the bike last year in November with Oscar, and then David, the sales manager, helped me with the final purchase process and then the delivery and everything. I had some extra parts put on. I had him do some links, some different links from Brock's Performance, and I did the Akrapovic exhaust. Feel super blessed and super grateful to be able to have this bike. And if you need a Ducati or you're looking for a Ducati, give those guys a shout out over at Sky Power Sports in Sanford, Florida, and ask for David or Oscar. They're both super cool guys. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you'll get more content in the future. I have a lot more riding videos coming. And thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.